Welcome to my video. This is not a blog video, and I want to show you the area that looks green with nature, and I'm here under the hot sun, so it's a bit hot. Hello everyone, I'm come from Cambodia, and today I talk about the love. I'm not talking to us about what is love, but I'm go through to the deep meaning of the current social media love, and I have been fell from the love of many times, and topic is about why we got reject. I got reject from the love. It means like the love rejection, and through beauty, it seems like when we got good look and confident appearance, we might be got successful. Or I think like, yeah, it could be absolutely. Look to the area that's so green, and take a rest with the nature. So let me go through to the topic why we got reject from the love. And this is not because of the our 100 reason, or sometimes we can say it will be our obstacle, or seem like to say like we need to fail until we got success. When we talk about beauty, handsome face, and real success in love, this is a story for your heart. This is a story for your hope. Briefly share a personal moment when you felt reject in love. Ask the audience, hey, you ever love someone but they said no? How did you feel? You know, I feel like when we judge someone by appearance look, outside look, true love is not coming to this. You might not understand my English clearly. I want to speak slow and to be clear. Why I don't speak in Cambodian language? Because I want to use my practical English speaking. And one more chance is about I am challenging myself talk through to the camera and showing to my face. It's not like I am confident or convenient to talk in the camera, or I feel like beauty is I don't like what my look currently, but it's okay because we was born it's like this. It's because of God give us or our past life we have. It's like we did in the past and then we got like this. Sometimes people got so cute and pretty and handsome because they have did a lot of things from their old past life, like they go to pagoda and they praying and they do a lot of good things, have people give flower to the God, or seem like they have respect each other, and hope you respect me and I'm also respect you because did I have done a lot of video content, and video content relate to my daily activity, my hobby, my favorite. I'm shooting a lot of video, but I have failed many times. So let's skip this one. Please talk directly about why we got rejected. This is about what I have learned and I have experienced. So if you have any comment or any idea, please let me know. Let's continue to our topic and discuss why they reject you. And I can ask myself why they reject me and why I fell many love. Until now, I still single. No matter where you are from, I'm sticking to let for the overall people because I choose English language. It's easy for me to talk because I can talk fast and English. And to be confirmed or to be disclaimed that our video is about talking with life and love story. And if some mistake happen, I'm sorry in advance. So let's go through why they reject you even when you are handsome, beautiful and successful. So let's deep dive together. I choose this area as an evergreen with nature. So the pants no one's talking about. This is the another point. Yeah, can say that you are attractive, yeah, right? You are accomplished. You got it all. Look charm, adorable, success. So why are you still getting rejected? I am here is not to teach or give the lesson or the short course learning, but it is about the real life talking with my real story. And you know, today I'm sad. I feel a bit shy to talk in front of camera, after camera, and yeah. So now I challenge myself. And about the one of the topic we raise up is about the illusion of perfection. You know, someone they want to get, for example, they might prefer about look the priority. When we talk about the look, let me say into the man first. Lady, when they love with the boy or man, they prefer handsome, tall body, skin, hair. The way they dress or the way they, the fashion they, the clothes, yeah, shirt, trouser, or sometimes a bit of the item to show out, like modern car, home, salary, so a lot of things. But as I survey from teenager of Cambodia, they mostly love young men. They have the high around 1.70 up. Yes, if 1.8 cm is good, be the best. Yeah, could be the best. The illusion of the perfection society told you: be handsome, be beautiful, be rich, be success, and love will come. Yeah. But here's the dirty secret. Attraction isn't logic. Love isn't a reward system. You will break down why, yeah, your perfection package might be actually be pushing people away. Let me dig deep down to the point, to the main point. The first is about the too good to be true paradox. Intimidation versus approachability. Number two, yeah. And number three, confidence crosses into arrogance. And number four, the myth of if I'm hot, they will chase me. So let's go through to the deep meaning inside. The hidden reason behind rejection. Let me talk again. The hidden reason behind rejection. It's not your face, but it's not your bank account, and it's what underneath the invisible signal, the emotional frequency, the invisible signal, the emotional frequency, the silent deal breaker. Let expose the 7 subconscious reason people reject even the most desirable partner. Emotional availability. Are you truly open? Yeah. Number 1, are you truly open? And number 2, the vibe mismatch. Chemistry isn't visual. Number 3, timing and life stage incompatibility. Number 4, unresolved baggage, your or there. 5, fear of intimacy, just as not feeling it. The comparison. Yeah. Number 6. Okay. Let me deep down to the topic again. So this is the topic I am sharing with you. Hope you enjoy. Yeah. And at the moment I just cut the scene and then go to this because I have the video record, another video record. So hope you guys enjoy. So let me repeat again. Number 1 is about the emotional availability. Are you truly open? Number 2, the vibe mismatch. Chemistry isn't visual. Number 3, timing and life stage incompatibility. Number 4, unresolved baggage, jaw and there. Number 5, fear of intimacy, biggest as not feeling it. The comparison trap. Social media silent saboteur. Number 7, you are not actually who they think you are. The personal problem. Deep down to the psychology of attraction beyond look. Handsome, fat, beauty evolve, but magnetic present, that's forever. We will decode what truly makes someone irresistible, irresistible, and how to cultivate it, even if you are not model tired. The look is about what we are talking about, and you know, as I got from my neighboring home neighboring, they said that for the men it's okay, they have money, they are handsome. Yes, a lot of lady, a lot of girl come, but now I am not handsome, I don't have a lot of money, but I can say that I have a job, I have a salary, I can take care of her, but in reality it's not. They say that in Cambodia, if we have money, we have salary, we have education, home, transportation, yeah, when we looking for someone to be married, it should be not hard, but for me it's a bit hard. I don't have any girlfriend right now, so hope you guys understand me. And deep down to another part is about cham the charisma equation, warm and present authenticity, the glow up. That is an physical emotional intelligence. Why some average people get more love than perfect one? I am not expect to get perfect love, but I expect to get the true love. Case study: real people who transform their love life without changing their look. About the success relationship, we are go through to the success versus relationship readiness. I'm reading through and then I am talking combined together, and this is the right fear, and I take a glance to see my motorbike because I parking my motorbike outside. I am afraid that I lost my motorbike when I just talk, and then my I take care of my property. So go through to the topic success and relationship readiness. You are climb the corporate ladder, bought the car, travel the world, but did you learn how to hold space for someone else hurt? Success can isolate you. You, yeah. We will show you you show you how to pivot from achiever to lover. It's about the lonely at the top syndrome and workaholism versus emotional presence. And another one, how ambition can scare love away and how to balance it. Red defining success again. Red defining success in love. It's not about winning. Chapter 5. No, chapter 5. It's not about chapter 5. It means about another, uh, we can say, yeah, the real success story. What actually worked. Forget fairy tale. These are real story of people who was rejected repeatedly, even so they was got just wisely success until they crack the code, and the breakthrough surprisingly simple. Rewiring your love operating system. it's not about becoming someone else. It's about upgrading your inner software. Mm. We will give you the exact. You know, I take the script, so let me discuss with you, and I am with you about the reason behind why people reject. First, they might not get expectation from you. For example, he or she expect that him or her is good enough. Good about which point? For example, respect each other, be polite, honest, and sometimes about their characteristic and behavior. And most people, especially for young age, they prefer beauty, the shape of the body, the face, the style, their money, and the big point is about the trending, learning. I'm not talking about the trending topic, it's about the evergreen video. It means like in social media, most people, they always compare with their partner to other partner, and they compare again and again, and they feel like they are not good enough. He or she, him or her, it's like it's not good enough. So when we feel like not good enough, we will betray. They will betray. Is it like they want to get another choice because they have a lot of choice, they have a lot of option, they have a lot of second or third party. Sometimes they have love with you, but they have behind to hire. They don't want to show out. It means like secret love. Even they are a spouse, they got married, and sometimes they still betray. And you know, people getting older and older, for the men, I don't know why still love single, mean like they still single. For me, I single until now. It's like I'm so lonely, and I try to challenge myself to talk with my English speaking as a second language, and talking through, enjoy with the nature, and I feel a bit shy how to be with camera and in front talking for a lot of things. This is my another reason I want to try. It's like I'm now, yeah, I got, I'm already, I'm not a young. It means like I'm getting older and older, but I speak like a young age, you know. It means like the basic one. And I try to research about why love, why young love doesn't mean like why, no, not why young love doesn't die. It's transform, it's teach, it wait until you are ready to love even deeper. Another hype, not hype, type, type. When we talk about the high school love, oh, where's my motto? Oh God, my motto is here, and then I go to, I look to those areas, and then this. Oh my God, English. Oh my God, English. Sorry for my speak. It's not like a native speaker, but I am. Yeah, I'm here. I'm already talking. Even you on, even you are not understanding what I'm talking, but I am to remark, to take a note again and again. It's about the love. So this is not about too broad topic. It like even you don't understand who's the man talking about. So let me emphasis. Let me be clear with you that I'm talking about love. Why I got reject when we apply to work. It's not I'm not talking about the working, but I just, for example, when we apply to work and then we got reject, and then we will understand why and the reason behind. So love is the same. When we apply to love someone and then they reject you politely, no, I'm not, I don't want to take a lashing, because it's not about happy ending. It's not, if I have a true love, I've got success with love. It's not me right now standing alone and just sitting alone at a rye field at the rye. Now it's almost raining, and thank you for the long form video watching until I show my face. Then you got me real. It's not, I'm not an AI, and to be alert that I'm not talking about political. No, I don't talking about political. I don't talking about the nationality. No, I talking about love. So this is about what we are talking. Is about evergreen, evergreen So this is about the field, right? The right field is evergreen. Nostalgic Gen Z millennial people healing from first love trauma. Anyone who wonder what if, who loved the first rejection, and high school break, heartbreak. High school heartbreak is high school heartbreak to soulmate love. The real story no one tell you. Why your high school love still hurt, and what is trying to teach you. I am not teaching you. It means like you learn from your experience. Young love, the beauty, disaster that shape you emotional journey. they was your first everything. Here's why it end and why you are still thinking about them. The gods of young love. How to heal without forgetting. You know, I am absolutely well. I don't say that I am well, but now I learn even like the lesson learned. But if we can say that my high school love, no, I don't have. Why? Because I focus study. No one love me, and I don't concern about love anymore. But now honestly I am concerned because when you're looking for someone who truly love you and you don't find it, you don't find him or her, you feel like when you driving to another area, you walking, you go to the tourist area or go to working or at a street at some bit or everywhere, and you see people have couple, and then you alone. I mean, like for me now, it's like I am alone. I looking for one true, can be true love. I don't want to get the fake love. Maybe because I am not yet meet. When we talk about the West beauty, the age, when we got older and older, so we concerned about now. I'm not yet too old, but I feel like if I am getting older and older, and then I feel love girl, girly. It means like I am so hard to get the true love because they don't love the old people. When we talk about the love, we should talk about age as well, because a lot of the sector, not sector. It means like yes, a lot of the point love would be appearance, beauty, handsome, yeah, good ear, appearance, modern, pretty, and we can deep down to the big man point. The main point, the first is about the appearance, the way they look to you, and what you are, who you are, and what you are, who you are, and your education, your lifestyle, the way you talk, the way you live, and you can be like the same to her, but not too much same. It mean like a bit same. You know, I learned a lot of love, but I felt a lot of love as well because I love her and then she don't love me. And one love me and I don't love her. This is my return. While we love and then she also love, but after 3 months or not yet 3 months, she betrayed me, but I don't react or I don't angry. I'm not angry. I just feel calm down. I feel like okay, let her go. Being your friend, being your girlfriend or boyfriend, it's like a short period of time, but sometimes could be husband and wife. Still also a sort of time we don't know. So you can do good thing like we respect to the God and we do good. Let the inner peace come to us and we will get the good result. When we do it bad, we will got in return. Another thinking from me, how about you? How many girlfriend or boyfriend do you have? For me, I I cannot count because I'm not like how many of them will be entering through my life. But I can say it should be my zero girlfriend because you know in social media it's too fast and then too fast to separate. So I cannot recognize how many of them. But if we have, for example, one and then we stay, we can go to visit the place, go to enjoy or relaxing weekend, working with each other, or we have any problem and then we can take care of each other. It could be another one, but I see one friend, they are loving each other and then until 1 year and they separate. We can count one, yeah. But for me, you know, when I have one girlfriend, but just only social media, and we chat each other. Then after 1 month or 2 months, she's gone. She is looking for another man. That's why I cannot count. And I never meet her outside. And this is the reason we can count or not. But if we count, yeah, could be a lot because I have a lot of this type. We just chat, but we never hang out, we never meet. I never meet. So what? How come? How can I say that she is my girlfriend? Maybe no. It could be the girl that just come for a period of time. Try to change another angle. This is the long form talking video, so hope you guys don't mind me because I am talking. It's not like I have one story. I have a lot of story to talk. Being a man, like, we are honesty, but the the girl that we love, they don't show honesty to us. I say that I never betray, but I meet a lot of girl that betray me. Betray, yeah. I know. You know, I know. I know myself already. It could about the bad luck, or sometimes we was born to get like this. So enjoy about the bad luck that we get. I am unlucky with love currently, but I pray, I do good thing, and I say to myself and to the world, to everything. I say that, please, if I have a next life, I want to get true love. I want to meet only one girl. She's love me, but my mom, she's love me. Yeah, only my mom, and she never feel like I am not happy, not handsome, or not handsome or handsome, because she's my hero. She give me the birth to live on the earth, so I respect my mom. Sometimes when we don't have love, but we got love from family. Yeah, family, my mom. I cannot crying to in front of camera, but let me calm down. About the social media, when we got hurt, we cannot see everything happily. Love can lead us to get depression as well. Even we don't have the people, the friendship. I don't have love, and I don't have a friend. Just me alone. Sometimes when we consider life is short, and yeah, we was born to be the people on the earth for living, sharing good thing, learning, take some experience, help each other. If I just expect if one day I got someone who love me truly, I will show you through my video. I hope so. And money, when we're talking about love, we also talking about money as well, because when we don't have money currently, no one love you. Money, and also with the category of the brand item like smartphone, for example, the latest iPhone. I mean like iPhone, the new one, yeah, or another material such as modern car, modern home, the celebrity could be famous or can just, for example, if you are famous and you have a lot of property, you have a lot of money, yeah, could be. But I think that some lady, they don't prefer money, they prefer handsome better than money. Just another part that I got away. Mostly they are younger. They are thinking also young, and they want to get the young man as well. But you know, young men can say that a boy, they are a gangster or they are playboy. They don't care. Sometimes they don't go to study. They just hang out and go happy everywhere. And yeah, some girl they love like this and can call by sloy or yeah, in Cambodia, that they enjoy with their life as an adult, as a teenager, and sometimes they don't marry and they stay with each other like a spouse, like a married person, but they don't marry. They stay as a husband and wife, but they are just only girlfriend or boyfriend, just a friend soon, but they just fast in a relationship and break up faster. Because why? This is the reason I talk to the camera and open my face. This is the reason I am talking. I also research. It's not like I am not talking freestyle, because freestyle talking is not my intention. At the day of this generation, especially high school love, they prefer to get young boy, look handsome, pretty boy. Yeah, the face is look like they are so cute. We can call to the lady, but in another word we can say to the young, even they are boy, but they can say cute face, and some. So when they have a charming face, it could be one of the success, because beauty can be the main point, and then after that money. I think that, yeah, from my side I see like this. And how about you? What are you thinking? You are thinking like me or not? When I am a boy, when I was young, I never care about love. I don't care. But until now, I I don't have any girlfriend. I don't have. I never have. I never married, so I don't have experience with life of the married. I just have experience as a digital love. You know, digital love is about chatting each other and know the situation. For example, we just asking each other, are you eating yet? Did you get up? Are you tired? We just take care us by asking about their living and their perspective, or talking a lot of things. Just spend 1 or 2 hours a day or a night, but not meet each other, just only call. Sometimes a video call, sometimes just a call, only voice, no video to show the face. I am admire and appreciate for people that they got success. They have their true love, so I am congratulations. And for me now, I'm waiting and looking. Hope this video can be the video that if someone who love me, or someone who like me, can be good for me, a good chance, because I'm looking for. I want to marry, you know. I don't want to stay single. I don't want to stay single. Now, when they ask me, who's your girlfriend? I said, no, I don't have girlfriend. God, please help me. I need a girlfriend. Until the day of the success. You know, when I got fell from the love, the reason that I learned that 360 degree of reason behind. When we are single until now, until we got older and older, and our brand is older, so I think that to be success for young girl, if you want to get good good luck or good chance or good family, should be consider the man older like me. I'm not too old. I just an adult as well, but I think that now I feel like I'm older, because I can take care of her. I have income. I can take care of family, respect, polite, to show our loyalty, to show about what is the true love for her. just not don't just talk or don't just saying about good and good, but we can do to show her it like a small thing. For example, being a husband or being a boyfriend, we can take care of her, not to show your jealous, but to show your responsibility. If you want to love someone forever, if you love someone is the true love, don't show your anger to her. Even you anger by jealousy, but don't be like aggressive. I don't want to say it clearly because I posting on YouTube, so I want to show that to yeah the word. I don't want to say the word aggressive. You know you will understand, yeah. So being polite, respect, responsible could be the one to target the true love. But I just consider and feel pity. I feel so sad and feel like I feel young girl, they love young boy, they prefer young age, the same to each other. But you know, sometimes could be good, sometimes it's not, because some boy they want to be happy, they want to, they have their time, they can have a lot of choice, so they will find another option. It's like they compare one and one. In contrast, for the men, they have their limit of time and they getting older and older, so they want to get a serious love and they want to get the um, the true one, the last one, the infinity, and it like the forever evergreen love. When we love someone, what we are talking about, it's not just only one thing. So that is why I am still single. You know, she loved me, but I don't love her. And another case is I love her, but she doesn't love me. And another case, she loved me, and I also love her, but it's just only a period of time. But I never meet someone outside. It means not like never, but just meet. But I don't want to talk anymore. So hope you get fresh. This is the green background. Let me close to the video. Thanks for watching. And I wish for you, no matter who you are, watching to my video. Hope you got the, yeah, I wish you to get success, true love, success love story for you, for your life. And please give me the wish as well, wish by comment below. I want to get your wish as well, and I wish you, everyone here, everyone that watching my video, I wish you got all your best. You got, if even you got true love already, so you got healthy, you got property, money, income to support your family and happiness in your family. This is my side that I wish you, nowhere, no matter who you are, where you are from, your nationality, your gender, girl or boy, or older than me or younger than me, but I wish you, even you are broke up, broken heart, break up, just break up, or you break up long month ago, long year ago, long last month, last day, last week. I just break up as well. I break up from girl in social media. You know, to tell you the truth, I used to meet, but yeah, when we hang out each other, and until she betrayed me, so this is why I am here talking in front of camera. I just asking to everyone, even you don't know how to respond. Why she did betray me? Maybe because of my face. Yeah, I can know. Maybe and see you for the next video. Peace. Some people ask me about why you are so attractive, and yeah, you have accomplishment, and you got all look charm, but I think like I'm not, because it about sometimes we feel and other thought, other thinking is differently, because we was born from different location and learn from different school and got different idea, and we could be say, yeah, I'm handsome and you also handsome, but why you still single? Why I'm still single? Maybe because I don't love her and she don't love me. This is about reject. We reject each other. Another one is about when I love her, but she don't love me, so reject from her. And another type is she love me, but I don't love her. It's about another reject from me. This is really hard to take the love, because when we talk about the love as the couple or the life of love life, it means like the couple or married, single. It means we don't talk about love with mother, father, grandmother or grandfather, or we don't talk about love with our brother and sister in family, but we talk about the love in the couple life. It seems like 100 friendship. This is the session. Oh no, this is not a test session, but I enjoy with myself under the sun, the hot sun, but the wind is good. The green, so it look like fresh idea to talk. Then yeah, we go to the topic. Before I go to the topic, I want to mention about my talking, because I'm not a native speaking as an English speaker. I am come from Cambodia, so hope you guys don't mind me